Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. I miss you guys. I miss you so much. It's been a while I post on this channel, and yeah, I know I've not been showing support as well. I was so busy to the extent that I can't even watch a video to even comment. Okay, but now I'm a bit cool. Okay, so going to be rolling again. Okay, so thank you so much for clicking on this video once again. To my returnees, thank you so much. And if it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. So today I'm going to do pro mixing. This is actually my first time doing pro mixing on this channel, and yeah, someone want me to do this for her. All right, so let's just start doing this. Don't mind this stuff, I'm just here. This is where I'm going to be doing it. I'm in my office. Okay, so let's do this. Okay guys, so this is my beige cream. Okay, this is shea butter I just mixed now. I don't want to prolong the video, so I did this off camera. Okay, so I'll be using this one and this cream. Okay, this is actually white secret cream. Okay, I don't know why I took off the rubber. I was opening it and it teared through it, so I have to take everything off. Okay, so I'm going to be using this and the shea butter cream for my for this pro mixing. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be doing everything in this small bowl. So I'm just going to take, okay, this looks like ice cream. All right. Okay, so we took about 4. I didn't even count. All right, so now I'm going to add my skin. Let me, I think I have the rubber here. White secret cream. Okay, this is what I'm using. This is a lotion, and this is very good for brightening skin. Okay, so the main reason why I'm adding this shea butter beige cream in it is to let this work mildly, like slowly, not okay, so you get your beautiful natural skin. So that's the main reason why I'm using this beige shea butter. Okay, so yeah, so I'm just going to measure. Okay, all right, so this is 1 teaspoon. Sorry, this teaspoon is half, so this is 1. Let me go this way because I'm finding it difficult using my left hand. Okay, all right. Okay, so we have 2 here. Okay, so we have 3. And secondly, this kind of creams has some hashy scents, like bleaching stuff in it, which I don't like. I really don't like it, but since the person wants it, I have to do it for her. So that's why I'm mixing it with my base shea butter, so it will mellow it. Okay, all right, so all we are going to do is to mix it together. I'll probably use my mixer to mix it. Okay, so that cream okay, so okay, so now that it is mixed, I'm going to add my turmeric oil. Okay, Okay. All right, this is just a half teaspoon. Okay, this is so beautiful. Just love the color. So I'm going to be adding this goodness. Okay, this is very, very nice. Brightens the skin complexion and gives you a very beautiful, nice skin tone. Okay, so I'm just putting in some few drops. Okay, just about 4 drops. All right, and my next ingredient is going to be this Habana. I'm using front camera, so all the names are saying it, but I'm going to leave it in the description box if you want to mix it. If you want to use this procedure and make some for yourself, you can go ahead. Okay, so this is very good for acne. It brightens the skin and also effective. It helps with acne and all that. Okay, so this is actually a body cream. You can use it on your face as well. Okay, so I'm just putting in some few drops because this is very, very effective. So you have to know the quantity you are putting in. Okay, so it will not destroy the skin. All right, so I just put in just a few drops. Okay, just a few drops of it. Just love the color of this. All right, so my next ingredient is this Perfect Legs oil, which also works very good. It works with stretch marks, scars, blue veins, redness, and also dark spots. Okay, any spot on the skin, this is going to help clear it. Okay, so I'm just going to put in a few drops. Wow, so this is not even up to 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, so from there I'm going to add my Shalon stretch mark oil. So we are making cream and we have to make sure when the person uses it, she doesn't experience any stretch mark or whatsoever on the skin. Okay, all right, my next ingredient I'm going to add is my bio oil. Okay, this is my go oil. All right, so yeah, and I have a review on it on this channel. Can you go and check it out? Okay, or probably I'll leave it in the description box so you can go check it out. Okay, bio oil is so good on the skin. All right, from there I'm going to add jojoba oil. So this is a carrier oil I'm adding. Okay, just to just a few drops. Okay guys, just a few drops. And then I'm adding my rose hip oil, which is also nice on the skin. Very, very nice on the skin. This is optional, guys. This is optional. I'm just adding them. Okay, just to let this work on my client's body. Okay, so she will come back again. All right, so yeah, see. Okay guys, so my next ingredient I'm going to add is my glycerin. Okay, this is optional guys, this is just optional. Okay, you can choose not to add glycerin because of the other cream which we have in it already. Okay, so this is vitamin E. Okay, so now we are done. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this lemonade. Okay, this is lemonade, and it helps prevent pimples and any other rashes on the skin or the face. So I'm just adding a few to this. Okay, so it will prevent any pimples and other rashes to appear on the skin. All right. So bear in mind, I've already added perfume to my base shea butter cream, to my base shea butter. Okay, so this is the outcome of promixing cream. So this is going to give you a very beautiful, glowing, bright skin. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in a container here. Okay. Container first. I love to sanitize my containers before putting in any cream or product. Okay. All right. So let's just fill it here. Okay. All right, so I'll put in the rest. I'll put the rest here. Okay, so exactly what I wanted. Okay, so this is how it's looking. So nice and yummy. It's going to cover it. And we are going to seal up, put our sticker and seal up. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. Please do well to like, share with friends and family. Catch you in my next one. Bye bye.